Okay, now we'll see the projections of a pyramid. So to understand the basic concept of pyramid, here I'll consider a square pyramid. The name of pyramid is depends on its shape of base. If shape of base is a square, then it is called square pyramid. If it is a pentagon, pentagonal pyramid. Like that, if it is hexagon, hexagonal pyramid. If it is triangle, then it is a triangular pyramid. Okay, so here the base of this square pyramid is a square, or base of this pyramid is a square, so that's why this is called a square pyramid. So here I'll consider this is apex of the pyramid. This point is called apex or vertex. I'll consider this point is O, and here if I consider the center of its base is M, and if I join this M to O, this line indicates the axis of this pyramid. So MO is the axis, whereas O is apex, M is the center of bottom face. Here I'll consider this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are called as a base corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 are base corners. If there is a square pyramid, there will be 4 base corners, like that for pentagon, hexagon and triangular pyramid. This line O1, O2, O3 and O4 are called as slant edges, or incline edges. These lines 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1 are called as base edges. They are what? Base edge. Now we have to define this apex, axis, slant edge, base edge. Along with this 1, 2, 3, 4 combined, we'll consider this is the base face. This is base face. And here O, 2, 3. This face is called triangular face or slant surface. This is a slant surface. Now we have to define all these parameters of a square pyramid. So first we'll define the apex. So apex is the point where all slant edges are meet. Apex is the point where all slant edges are meet. If you check this slant edge A1O, 2O, 3O and 4O, all are passing through or meeting at a point O. So O is the point where all slant edges are meet. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the corners. This is corner. Again, corner is also a point. Corner is a point where 2 base edges and 1 slant edge meet. If you consider corner 1, here 1, 4 and 1, 2 are base edges, whereas 1, O is a slant edge. So corner is a point where 3 edges are meeting. Out of 3, 2 are base edges and 1 is slant edge. Similarly, at corner 2 also, 2, 3, 2, 1 are base edges and 2O is a slant edge. Like that 3 and 4. So corner is basically point where 3 edges are meeting. Out of 3, 2 are base edges and 1 is slant edge. Next, we have to define axis. So axis is actually imaginary line which passes through or which joins center of bottom face to the apex. So axis of any solid, you can check, it is an imaginary line. Axis is not visible to the observer of any solid. Okay, now we have to define a slant edge. Slant edge is a line. You can check this slant edge O1, O2, O3 and O4. All are the lines. So if you consider O2 over here, so this is a line where 2 triangular faces are meeting. So slant edge is a line where 2 triangular faces meet, or line develop, or line or edge formed by 2 triangular faces is a slant edge. This is also called as inclined edge. It's also called as inclined edge. Now we have to define a base edge. Base edge is also line. We have to define what? Base edge. Base edge is also a line where triangular face and base face meet. Base edge is a line where triangular face and base face meet. Now we have to define a triangular surface or slant surface. It is a plane bounded by, remember, triangular surface or triangular face or slant surface is a plane bounded by two slant edges and one base edge. It is a plane bounded by two slant edges and one base edge is a slant surface or triangular face. Okay, so this is the basic terminology of pyramid. Again, name of pyramid is depends on its shape of base. So in the syllabus we have to study square pyramid, triangular pyramid, pentagonal pyramid, hexagonal pyramid along with a tetrahedron.